Hi there, thanks for joining in and welcome to CodeBox. In this tutorial, we will walk through an example of how to export MySQL data into an Excel spreadsheet in PHP. If you want to follow along, the code download is on the CodeBox website. Link in the description box below. Step 1. Download PHPSpreadsheet. Since PHP does not have any native functions to generate Excel files, we will need to use a library called PHPSpreadsheet. The easiest way to download is to use Composer, a package manager. So head over to getcomposer.org, download, and install if you have not done so. After Composer is installed, open the command line or terminal. Navigate to your project folder, run Composer require PHP Office/PHPSpreadsheet. Composer will automatically download the library into the vendor folder. Step 2. Create a dummy database. In this example, we will create a simple users table with only 3 fields: the ID, auto increment and primary key. Then the name, and the email. Step 3. Export data to Excel. First, we connect to the database using PDO. Then include and use the PHPSpreadsheet library. Next, create an empty spreadsheet. Fetch the database entries and write them into the spreadsheet. Finally, save the spreadsheet into a proper file. With that, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to learn more. See you in the next one.